Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
How to use Vick's Vapo Rub to get rid of accumulated belly fat and cellulite, eliminate stretch marks and have firmer skin. Vick's Vapo Rub has been used for treating headaches, cold, cough, congested nose, chest and throat stuffiness. However, Vick's Vapo Rub can do so much more than this. Vick's Vapo Rub has been present and used for more than 100 years and is known as one of the most widely used over-the-counter decongestants. Recently there are many popular and unconventional ways to use this ointment. Vick's is a supposed treatment for so much more than just a congested chest. 1. Puts off mosquitoes. If you want to keep mosquitoes away, apply a little bit of Vaseline on your clothing and skin. 2. Sinus headaches. If you are suffering from sinus headaches, do this trick immediately. Apply Vick's under your nose and take a deep breath. The menthol from Vick's will help you calm your headache. 3. Ease acne. You may not believe it, but Vick's can aid you clean your skin. You just need to apply it on your acne a few times daily. It will dry out your acne and soothe the affected area. 4. Keep insects away. Do this by rubbing Vick's Vapo Rub on your neck, inner knees, elbows, and behind your ears. Also, if you want to keep flies away while on a picnic, just open the Vick's bottle. Additionally, this is the best eco-friendly trick. 5. No more bruises. If you combine a pinch of salt in Vick's Vapo Rub and apply it on a fresh bruise, it will help you get rid of it quickly. 6. Alleviate sore muscles. Start by massaging your sore muscles with Vick's. Then, cover that area with a warm and dry towel. Lie down or lift the sore limb until the pain reduces. Do this 3 times daily. 7. Moisturize your skin. If you have dry skin, rub Vick's Vapo Rub on your skin and you'll see the positive results. 8. Tennis elbow. If you want to get rid of the pain from tennis elbow, apply Vick's and the menthol and camphor will help you ease the pain. Rub again until the ache stops. 9. Treat cracked heels. Apply some Vick's on your feet and heels and then put on your socks. The next morning wash your feet with warm water. Exfoliate the softened skin with pumice stone. Do this every night to keep your feet healthy and smooth. 10. Fingernail or toenail fungus. Apply Vick's on the infected toenail or fingernail twice daily. Then, put on your socks. Don't forget to trim your nails until you completely remove the infected part. 11. Relieve congestion symptoms and cough. To do this, apply Vick's on your throat and chest. 12. Prevent your cat's scratching. If you want to stop your cat's scratching, rub some Vick's to your windows, walls, and doors. 13. Fast healing of cuts and splinters. Apply Vick's on any splinter or cuts to increase the time of healing and prevent infection.